Good evening, friends. First of all, today is Ramadan, so the Ramadan Kareem for everyone. Okay, so today is the Ramadan start on our today to till next end of the month. Okay, so the fasting timing is 3 a.m. midnight to till evening 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. So there is people not eating anything and not drinking water and having the fasting condition. Okay, so the eating timing is gonna start for 6 p.m. to till morning next day morning 3 a.m. So though now I'm gonna give you for advice about the nutrition and nutrition tips. Okay, so the process is there is a people who are doing for the regular gymming or who not doing regular gymming. So they have to focus on nutrition is most important thing, and who's not doing any activity, any kind of anything, you should focus on during fasting for the dehydration or any like dizziness. Okay, so and who doing gymming, they have to focus us most about nutrition also mostly. So 6 o'clock you start for the eating process. Okay, so first of all you should take like when you start eating process. Okay, you start for like small of amount like sweets, dates. Okay, and some small of amount sweets. Okay, and electrolyte is most important thing. Okay, for the liquid items it's the most important thing for during fasting and after 6 o'clock. During fasting, nobody eating. After 6 o'clock, we start for the liquid things, most important, like watermelon juice, lemon juice, okay, and coconut water, lemon water, and any kind of juice, okay. Every 15 minutes, 20 minutes, so you have a 9 hours, 6 to 3 a.m. to eating process, okay. So every 15 minutes, 20 minutes and half an hour should take like small amount for the liquid things like coconut water, lemon water, or so like watermelon juice. Okay. So you should focus on every 3 hours like small meals or like depend on people. Okay. Like chicken breast, brown rice, banana, and other fruits also, and salads also, and juices also. You should focus on this thing for the living lifestyle people. And you have a 3 meals in during 9 hours. Okay, every 2.5 hours or 3 hours. So focus on nutrition. And who's doing gymming and all, okay, so better is go for the gymming after the fasting, because that time you have an energy. Okay, because and after workout you should focus on the protein diet and the carbs. Before workout you should take like some complex carb or simple carbs, like you need a glycogen level, you need energy. So like some people are taking like banana and fruits and white eggs or sweet potato. This is good thing, a small amount. And in during workout, people you should take BCAA. It's a branch chain of amino acids. They want to help you to give you energy, and they are repair your muscles, and they helping to building your muscles. So they are maintaining your muscles. Okay. So the after work finish your workout, just take one scoop protein, or before workout you also take protein. No problem. So good whey protein. Okay, or isolate protein. So better is you go for whey protein, who going for the lose weight or who going for muscle building or high intense workout or moderate intensity workout. Okay, so then every 3 hours you should take, or 2.5 hours, small meals. And before sleep you should try to focus on heavy meal, like casein protein. So casein protein you should take like a food supplement or natural protein. Like you have an option to with double tone milk or full cream milk. You should boil the milk. Okay, after the boil just put little lemon, then it coming for the cheese form like called paneer form. Okay, so this is good. What is called casein protein. So this is helping you in during the sleeping hours in catabolism state, helping you to repair your muscles, and they give you energy because it's a slow absorption protein. It's called casein protein. So the cheese form is called casein, and the water form is called whey protein. So this is good for health. Should take with brown bread or some brown rice. Okay, and so this is our fitness advice. So you just focus on, don't take fatty food like like oil, little oil, okay, but avoid for the mostly highly oil foods. Okay, so every 2.5 hours small meals. Okay, and the last meal is heavy, and every 15 to 20 minutes we take liquids. Liquid is most important to dehydration, because in during fasting people are feel dehydration. Okay, because in during fasting you need energy in your body, in your liver with glycogen, or in your muscles also, because people are doing activity. So this is our process. So this is my advice for the nutrition plan in Ramadan. Okay, or any religion people, they are fasting, for anyone, for everyone. Okay, so this is my advice for nutrition. So please should like this video and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you my friends, give me a good support and thanks. See you. So next time I'm gonna give you for new things about the fitness related to gymming and all, liftings, weights, or nutrition plans. Now I'm gonna give you more advices. So okay, see you buddy, and see you friends, all of you. Again, Ramadan Kareem. See you.